Well, we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing or unbagging video. Today we actually have something from Zero Foxtrot. Feel free to check them out online, zerofoxtrot.com. They have a lot of different constantly changing apparel items. Get them while they're in stock. Once they're gone, but they're always new stuff constantly being designed and printed. So again, Zero Foxtrot. And if we actually get you out of the way, thank you. If we turn over the bag, if we ignore the shipping labels, let's see kind of their logo there, ZF. Let's go ahead and try to open this here. Let's see if they gave a convenient little pull tab. Let's see how that works. Well, it's a little bit messing it up, I guess. Let's see. Oh, no. Look at that. Oh. Okay, that worked just fine. And with a nice intact bag. Alright, so we just ordered a few items. And this is actually my first time ordering from them, so I decided to take a chance and see what was up with their selection of items. So let's go with the item that oh, look at that. Sticker. Thanks, guys. There. Whoa, there's actually a bunch of stuff. Hang on, let me acquaint myself here. Wow, okay, we got a whole bunch of little extras. A little promotional card there. And another one. Oh my. A historical card. I don't know if you can read that. Let me see if I can center this a little bit better. Why am I getting such a bad shadow here? Oh, there we go. It's about Charles Andrew McGilvray. His Medal of Honor story. Ooh, yeah. So that should be online. He's actually from Prince Edward Island. Interesting. Wow, that's heavy, heavy stuff. Okay, so first item I ordered, not to detract from Charles Andrew McGilvray's story, but let's get to our ordered items here. We have a Desert Tiger Woobie Hoodie, large. So I went by their size descriptions online, so you should refer to those when you order. And let's see, how do we open this? Oh, very nice. Everything comes bagged. Oh, wow. If you know what Woobies feel like, it has that, just want to squeeze it, Woobie texture and softness. And we got a hood, drawstring, and this is a pullover version. Very glossy finish, and I can tell this is going to be nice and warm. I'm going to wear this pretty soon. And we got your little hand muff area. Let's see if we have any. Oh, look at that. They have their own little tag there. Official Zero Foxtrot contraband. Built for hard Fs. Wash in your favorite blood type. That's pretty bold. Alright. Dun -dun. And then the bottom is elasticized, sports style. Cuffs, similarly, elasticized, sports style. And the back, just your basic stitch. And you can see the quilting pattern. I'm just going to go ahead and put this on. What the heck? I got to try the size here. Am I a large? Oh, I could have actually, well, sleeve-wise, perfect fit. And as long as I don't wear anything too bulky underneath, it's a pretty good fit. But if I actually layer up, I might actually have to go with extra large. I had no idea I was such a big guy. Okay. Alright, let's take this one off for now. Very comfy, I can tell already. Alright. Next, I ordered, what caught my eye were their mystery items, which are mystery items. Possibly, well, they're definitely items that do not show up in their online catalog, whether it be one-off series, limited edition, or holdovers from prior releases. So they're kind of a grab bag and random selection. And this is another mystery hoodie that I ordered. This one is also pullover, and it kind of has that desert night look to it. Very nice. Same design with the hand muff, pullover. Same tag, large. Official Zero Foxtrot contraband. Different style cuffs though. This is a smaller elasticized compared to the one on the desert one, so possibly a different series design. You can see the difference in the cuffs there. Let's check out the bottom. Yep. Bottom is a straight hem with drawstring and holders. Let me just double check how this one is. Yeah, the other one, the desert one, is just the elasticized bottom. But this one has two drawstring points with drawstring holders. Very nice. And also a black interior as opposed to the desert. Just has two layers. This feels like it might have three. So this one might be slightly warmer. Good to know. Let's try it on real quick. Camera for size. Oh, very nice. Good fit. I think I picked the right sizes. Very nice. Kudos to their size charts. I like it. Alright. So that was the mystery hoodie Woobie Hoodie. Sorry. I want to get it right. And I decided to take a chance and try out their mystery shirts. I wasn't quite so sure about the size I should get, so I got a large, which I can always hand me down. Looks like this bag is a total sealed bag, so we're just going to have to rip it open. And the mystery shirts are really a total grab bag, random. Here they have a stamped Zero Foxtrot logo. Let's see if I can get some better light on this now. We're actually looking at a darker item. I can actually take advantage of that. Looks like 4060 cotton poly blend, washed with blood and souls, made in the USA. And get this extra in there. It says Slay. Cool. And on the sleeve, what we got here? Foxtrot logo. And plain on the other side. Nice. That was a very inexpensive item. Wear that as a comfy shirt. So again, these are all from Zero Foxtrot. Feel free to check them out online. I don't see a specific website I can display. But again, we also had some extras. We had an informational Medal of Honor story, Zero Foxtrot card, Zero Foxtrot sticker, and working backwards, mystery shirt, mystery Woobie Hoodie. This one appears to be Desert Night pattern. And then our ordered specific item, Desert Tiger Woobie Hoodie. So again, Zero Foxtrot. It's been another unboxing or unbagging video. Feel free to check out others on the channel. We also do show and tell videos and more specific vintage, milsurp, tool type, and other expanded items. We also do a selection of book review, media reviews, and we also do curios for the curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.